This is why you can't come to Canada and waste time. Because you see them snowfall, yeah? No matter what, you still have to get up, get ready, and go to work. Before you start your work, before you even start get ready for work, you have to clear the path to get to work. This is me out here shoveling my driveway. I'm not working today, thank God. But I still have to clear the snow because it has to be cleared. It's not going to clear itself. And I can't depend on nobody to come and do it. I have to do it myself. So, can't come to Canada, come waste your time. Whether you're there 1 year, 10 year, 20 year, 30 year, or more. This is what you have to go through. So anywhere you come from, make sure you never come here, come waste time. This is what you got to do. And for all those who are back home, wherever back home is,
snow blower now.
love, call, and beg money. So the money right here, so come creep it up. Come and clear this money. Because this is the only money we got right now. Come. It's all here waiting. This is the kind of snowfall that I'm used to when I first came to Canada. I had to walk to school in this. I was not lucky like my brothers to get a lift to work. I had to walk in this because I wasn't going in the direction of where my parents worked. So, I walked to school in this. I was not wearing running shoes. I had to wear boots up to my knees and an ugly ass coat that I would appreciate having right now. That coat was ugly, but warm as fuck. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to swear. But see, this is what it is. Thank God for this snowblower. It's electric, but I had to buy it because guess what? I have a bad back and I ain't killing myself out.
Time to get this bad
For
boy
lifting up
started.
snow, because that snow, it's light and fluffy.